Hello dear students, how are you all? This is Rajiv Minda, Faculty Mathematics, Prince Academy Seeker. Dear students, this is the lecture I am shooting for RBSE students. Actually, the previous lectures I provided to you all, you are not satisfied because I did give you the lectures from the NCERT book, okay? And many students were complaining, or you can say it was not a complaint, many students were in doubt that how to solve, tackle with the problems they have in the RBSE book. So the students, please don't worry. From today, we have planned a proper schedule so that we can shoot videos for the RBSE students also. So you need not to worry about anything. Okay. Now students, without any delay, one more thing students, I discussed to many students of RBSE who are taking my class, and many students told me that sir, almost all the concept and the questions are cleared, but the miscellaneous exercise they are not getting properly. Okay, so students, today this is the lecture for miscellaneous exercise, that is 3.6, sorry, miscellaneous exercise 3, okay, for RBSE class. And why I did choose this exercise? This is the main question. I did choose this exercise because all the concepts from 3.1 to 3. Whatever was the last number, 3.6, questions related to all the previous exercises are mentioned in exercise this miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so without any delay I am going to start to solve miscellaneous exercise, and any topic which is here and not discussed in my previous videos which I have provided to you, I will discuss. Okay, so don't worry, and without any delay come with me. Be ready with your book, notebook and pen in your hand, and still you have any doubt, don't worry, bindas, just text me. Definitely I will reply you, or in terms of writing, or definitely I will try to make my best to make videos on your doubt also. Okay, so students, come with me. Question number 1, exercise miscellaneous 3. See students, what is the statement here? If one zero of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other, everyone pay attention. What is given? The polynomial given is 5x square plus 13x plus k. Okay, 5x square plus 13x plus k. And what is given? That 1 0 of this polynomial is reciprocal of other. Are you sure? You know what is the term reciprocal? What is the term reciprocal? I think you all are aware of this term because you are in 10th class and also you are Princeton. So do not worry. Let me remind you to the students who are not aware of this. See, suppose there is a number x. This reciprocal of x is something whose product with x will make the 1. Yes or no? Reciprocal of something is that which makes the product with that something and the output becomes 1. Therefore this reciprocal will be, there is x into, it will be 1 by x. Yes or no? You got it? This is the reciprocal concept. Now see students, what is given here? 1 0 of this polynomial is reciprocal of other. What does it mean? Number one thing, what is the degree here? Degree is 2. Yes or no? Degree is 2. What does it mean? How many zeros it will have? 2. How many zeros it will have? 2. Suppose 1 is alpha. Let 1 is alpha, but second will be 1 by alpha. Yes or no? You got my point? This is the concept where reciprocal polynomials can be, or reciprocal zeros can be assumed. Okay, alpha and 1 by alpha. Now if you see, what is the product of zeros? Product of zeros, C by A, yes or no? C by A, in previous lecture I have given you this concept. Okay, now see. C by A, what is C here, B here, A here? C by A, C by A. And what is this? Product of zeros, yes or no? C by A is product of zeros. One zero is alpha, second one is 1 by alpha. Sure? Done? Now see students, it is too simple right now. 1 cross multiplied, K will be 5. Yes or no? You can pick out the option and move forward. Yes or no, dear students? Here the option will be C. Done? Take it screenshot once. Not once you take it screenshot. Done? Now see beta, we are going to move towards question number 2. See students, I will pace up my speed according to that criteria that I have in mind, that all the fundas you have watched in my videos, and using those I am going to solve these questions. If new fundamental is there, definitely I will pick it from the root level and convey message to you. So do not worry about anything. Question number 2. Zeros of a polynomial are, okay. See students, x square minus x minus 6 is given. This is the polynomial. You have to find its zeros. You have to find its zeros. Number one thing beta, you all know in my previous lectures what I have told you. If you want to find the zero of any polynomial, put polynomial equal to 0. Put polynomial equal to 0 and then factorize, or by the Sridharacharya Sutra, by completing the whole scale you can find the value of x. But what I am saying here, this is the simple method, na? Everyone will be able to solve this, okay? But what I am trying to say, as this is an optional question here, that's why what I am saying, you students, be smart. If your calculation is little bit okay, not so, but it should be okay, then you can do this question very much faster. By the option you can pick, na? By the options you can pick, okay? Are you getting my point? See, if you see what is option here, option A is 1 and 6. If you put 1, what it will be? 1 minus 6. It is not equal to 0. You need not to check for 6. This option is not. This option is not applicable. B option. What is B option? 2 and minus 3. Put 2 here. 2 to the 4 minus 2 minus 6. Is it 0? No. Not one option. Are you getting my point? By using the option, you can also solve the objective question. Okay? But if this is not objective, then you have to go with the proper procedure. Then put the polynomial with 0. Now see, what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 1. Yes or no? What does it mean? Minus 1. Minus 1 you have to break into 2 parts. I am factorizing students, and factorizing does means splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Okay. Now see, what should be the product of these? Minus 6. Minus 3 plus 2. Are you all satisfied? Are you all satisfied with these factors? With these parts? Minus 3 plus 2. It will give minus 1. And the product of these two will be minus 6. This is satisfactory? Yes or no? Done? Now see students. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, can I take x common here? X minus 3. 2 common here. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is contained by both the terms. Common. Here remaining is x. Here remaining is plus 2 is equal to 0. Done students? Now see. Product of two quantities is 0. This into this is 0. Okay? Now see. Either this one is 0 or this one is 0. Sure? From here x will be 3 and from here x will be minus 2. Done, lovely students? Sure? Then you can take the screenshot. One more thing I would like to add. Very frankly, students, I will be little bit faster to solve all the questions because 23, 24 questions, 23 questions are there in your book, in this exercise, and I definitely want to make you sure that it is my target to complete these all questions in only in one video. Okay? But if it is not possible, it seems there is 2-3 topics are there which I have not given you in the earlier lectures, then definitely I will take them from the root level. Then we will make 2 videos of the exercise miscellaneous. Don't worry. Okay? Question number next. Everyone, question number next. See, what is given here? 3 is the 0 of polynomial, then find the value of k. So simple. Question number 3. Everyone, see beta, polynomial given is 2x square plus x plus k. This is the polynomial, and what is given? X is equal to 3 is one of the zeros. One of the zeros of this is 3. Okay, find k. Find k. Now see students, as x is equal to 3 is a 0 for this polynomial. Therefore, can I write P3 is 0? Yes or no? What is the 0 of a polynomial? What is 0 of a polynomial, students? 0 of a polynomial means the value of variable that makes the whole polynomial 0. Yes or no? Value of polynomial that makes the whole polynomial 0, and here it is given that x is equal to 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. What does it mean? It means when we put x equal to 3 in this polynomial, this whole will be 0. Done? Now see. Put the x is equal to 3. 2 into 3 square plus 3 plus k is equal to 0. 9. 3 square is 9, yes or no? 9 into 18 plus 3 plus k is equal to 0. 21 plus k is 0. From here k is minus 21. Yes or no, dear students? Am I right? Am I right? Are you sure? So please everybody hit the like on the YouTube also. Okay. बीच में मैं आपको याद दिलाता रहूँगा that you have to like my videos. Don't worry. Now question number 4. Everybody please read the statement also. Question number 4. Alpha beta are zeros of polynomial. This, whatever is this given. Okay. Very easy question beta. You are Princians and behave like Princians. Question number 4. X square minus p into x plus 1 minus c. Alpha beta are its zeros. Alpha beta are its zeros. And what is this? Such that alpha plus 1 beta plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of c. Now solve it. Everyone see what is given. What is given here? Alpha plus 1 beta plus 1 is 0. Okay. Sure. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of c. Once you see, students, what is actually happening here? This is the polynomial x square minus, multiply inside px minus p minus c. Actually this is the polynomial x square minus px minus common p plus c. This is the polynomial. Okay, this is the polynomial, and if we compare it with the standard ax square plus bx plus c, okay, value of a will be 1, b will be minus p, c will be minus p plus c. Why I use this? See, students, once again I am taking the root level little bit faster. Everyone come with me. See, if this is the polynomial and alpha beta are the zeros. Alpha beta are the zeros. What we have studied? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and alpha beta is c by a. Yes or no? Sum of zeros is minus b by a, product of zeros is c by a, where a, b, c are the coefficient. This is the relation we have studied. Sure. Now see, statement is, what is the statement? X square, what was the statement? I forgot it. Statement was polynomial is x square minus p into x plus 1 minus c. Once you make it in the standard form, term of containing x square separately, term containing x separately, and term containing constant part separately. Okay, see, x square minus px minus c, multiply minus p inside, minus c. Okay, now see, x square minus px minus common p plus c. Now if you compare it with the standard polynomial, see what is the standard polynomial? I am writing here just to make you understand. You need not to write. Okay, a will be 1, b will be minus p, and c will be minus p plus c. Okay, done. Or you can say c is minus p minus c. Done, students. I just compared it with you. You need not to write this portion. This portion I have written here only to make you understand better. Okay, see. Now see, students, alpha beta are the zeros. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Yes or no? Minus b by a. Minus b by a is 1. What it will be? Minus minus plus p. Sure? Okay. Alpha beta. C by a. C by a. And what is C? This portion is all C. Minus p minus c by 1. That is minus p minus c. Alpha plus beta you have, alpha beta you have. Yes or no? Done. Students, here we have alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, now once you take it screenshot, I am going to rough it. I am mentioning these portions. Is it viewable in the camera? Let me check. Okay, I am writing here. See, alpha plus beta we got is minus p, and alpha beta we got is minus p minus c. Okay, I have written here these portions and I am going to rough it. Please once take it screenshot. Done. Now see. Now see, dear students, these values we have obtained from this polynomial. Yes or no? We have obtained from this polynomial. Now what is the given condition? Alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 is 0. 0 or C, whatever is here. Again I have to open the lock of my mobile for your PDF. Okay. Alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 is 0. Now see, dear students, if I multiply these two, what will happen? Alpha into beta. Yes or no? Alpha into 1. Done. 1 into beta. Done. 1 into 1. Okay. You got my point? Now see. What is the value of alpha beta? Minus p minus c. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus p plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Sure. Oh, sorry. Alpha beta was plus p beta. Sorry. Alpha plus beta was plus p. Actually, see, x square minus px minus p minus c was there, na? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a minus b by a. It will be p. By mistake, I put the negative sign there. Okay, correct it. Don't worry. Now see what it will be. This is plus p, na? P will cancel p, yes or no? Sure. Okay. Minus c plus 1 is 0. Shift C towards right. Option number, check your objective question. what is the option number? C will be 1. Done? Sure, students? Okay, done? Option number will be C. C1 and option C is also 1. Now question number 5. Has the equal roots, then find the value of K. Should I rough it? Done? Now see. Question number 5. Question number 5, see students. What is given here? If quadratic equation x square minus kx plus 4 is equal to 0, has equal roots. X square minus kx plus 4 is equal to 0, has equal roots. Find the value of k. Suppose students, once again I am repeating the concept. This is the standard form of equation. Okay. And D, discriminant. In the last lecture, Sridharacharya formulas lecture or quadratic formulas lecture, we have also derivated the formula. D is b square minus 4ac. Yes or no? And if D is 0, roots are equal. Yes or no? We have discussed it. Make some haste, students. We have discussed it. Okay? We have discussed it. Therefore, we will apply the same funda. As roots are equal. As roots are equal. Therefore, D is equal to 0. Therefore, D is equal to 0 and D will be b square minus 4ac. Sure, students? K square minus 16 is equal to 0. See, A is 1, B is minus K, C is 4. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. K square is equal to 16. From here, K will be plus minus 4. This is the answer. Okay, students? Pick the correct option and move forward. The rule of the life. Okay. Now question number next. If x question mark 1 is a common root of this and this, then find the value of AB. Okay. See students. What is this equation given? So the statement given is x question mark 1 is common root of ax square plus ax plus 3 and x square plus x plus b. Then value of AB. Here what is the statement given is x plus 1. Student, this is not the correct option given here. Mr. Rahul Dinwa, you have sent me wrong. This question is not appropriate. Something is typing mistake here. So I am quitting this. Don't worry. I will study it because there x question mark. What is written? Typed here x question marks 1 is factor of. Now what is this? What does it mean? And this is not even asked. Okay. Is the common root of this one. That's why I am saying statement is not, information given here is not sufficient or not, or you can say not technically right. Might be there is some typing error or printing error. Okay, so don't worry here. When I am here, you need not to fear. Question number 7 I will give you in next video or in the WhatsApp group. Okay, now see, discriminant of quadratic equation will be next. Question number 7, root 3 root 3 x square plus 10x plus root 3 is equal to 0. This is given. And what is asked? You have to find its discriminant. Discriminant again beta D. This is A, this is B, this is C. D will be B square minus 4 A C 100 minus 4 3s are 12 root 3 3. Am I sure? Oh, are you sure am I right? This is the option now? Yes. 100 minus 36, that is 64. D is 64. This is the answer. Okay, sure. Polynomial, equation was given and discriminant was asked. So simple is that. Dear students, I found one thing. Out of these 7 questions, if you have watched my earlier lectures seriously, I guarantee 101% students were able to solve these 7 questions. Because the concepts I have discussed with you already, beta. So don't worry. See what happens. Next question, question number 8. Mr. Rahul. Okay, nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. I think to complete, one thing I would like to say, beta. I think to complete the exercise fastly, you should agree to me. I think to complete all the exercise little bit faster, because the number of questions are so much. We should skip similar type of questions. Okay? So just now I thought it. So students, question number 8, the nature of roots depends on the D, and you can do by yourself. Okay? If I am solving all 23 questions here, it will take too much time. The lecture will be longer. That's why I am saying you, similar type questions I will skip. Okay? You should try. If you have any doubt, you can text me in the WhatsApp group. Definitely I will make a separate video for the doubts also. Okay, doubts for RBSE. Doubts for RBSE English medium. Principiums. Okay. Question number 9. Low students. See, question number 9. HCF of expression. HCF. Okay, this concept I have understood. No? Don't worry. Within 5 minutes, you give me 5 minutes, I will make you sure that when you have to find the HCF and LCM in case of polynomials, how the concept can be made easy. That depends only on the factors. Everyone come this side, see. Once you see this question, in this question, I will make you understand the fundamental. See, suppose first polynomial is given 4ab cube. First polynomial is 8a square b square c, and second is given 20a b cube c square. Just listen to me, students, very frankly. When you have to choose HCF and when you have to choose LCM, one thing you should keep in your mind. Whenever there is any numeral or a number or a constant, try to factorize it in terms of its prime factors. Okay, everyone see what I am doing with it. I am writing 2 as 2 raised to power 3, a raised to power 2, b raised to power 2, c. Here 40, 2 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 1, a, b cube, c square. Now see students, what is HCF? HCF is something that divides, and LCM is something that's get divided. HCF जो डिवाइड करता है, HCF जो डिवाइड करता है, और LCM जो डिवाइड होता है. अब जो डिवाइड करेगा वो छोटा होगा या बड़ा. Can 4 divide 8? Yes, because 4 is less than 8. But when you divide 4 by 8, point something not possible in terms of natural force. Okay, what I want to say you, I want to convey a message that whenever you have to find the HCF, choose the smaller one. And when you have to find LCM, choose the larger one. See, once you all see, if I am finding HCF here and LCM here, what I am doing, everyone see. I will see how many number are 2, 5, this. Okay. I want to find a number HCF, highest common factor of these two, a number which is able to divide this as well as this. I want to find a number which is able to divide this as well as this. See students, smaller one. Smaller one. Here what is there? 2, 2, A, B, B, C, C. 5 is not here. Write 5 raised to power 0. Write 5 raised to power 0. Now start from the number. First these two. Who is smaller? Who is smaller? 2 raised to power 2. Now come to A. Here is 1. Okay. Oh, you want to write 5? Oh, see. Out of 1 and 0. 1 and 0, which is smaller. Okay. Now in case of A, which is smaller? This one. In case of B, which is smaller? This one. In case of C, which is smaller? This one. Yes or no? Therefore, the LCM will be 4, 1. This is 1. 4 into 1, 4. A, B square, C. And if you want to find LCM of this, if you want to find LCM of this, C, choose the greater one. Which is greater? This one is greater. Out of 5, which is greater? This one is greater. Out of A, which one is greater? This one is greater. Out of B, this one is greater. Out of C, this one is greater. The output will be 8 5s are 40. A square, B cube, C square. This will be the LCM. This will be the LCM. Okay, dear students. I think you all, this is viewable, huh? Okay. Done. Take it screenshot. Why I am saying you now see, I am going to solve one more fundamental here. See students, there is a rule of LCM and HCF is there. Product of these polynomials is equal to HCF into LCM of these two. Product of these two polynomials will be product of LCM and HCF here. Okay? This is HCF, this is LCM. Let me check. Once we have started a topic which we have not discussed in my earlier videos, I am trying to complete it here. Don't worry, see. HCF is this, LCM is this. Once I want to find LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF. What it will be? LCM is 40A square, B cube, C square. HCF is 4AB square C. Yes or no? Now multiply these two. 40 into 4. A square into this. B cube into this. C square into this. Okay? Done. Now see polynomial, product of polynomials. This into this. Multiply these, yeah. 20 into 8. A square into this. B cube into this. C cube into, so C square into this. These are both same, yes or no? Both are same. From here we can conclude there is a rule made that product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of polynomials. Product of two polynomials is equal to product of their LCM and HCF, and this rule can also help you to sort out many problems. Okay students, done? Sure? Once you take it screenshot, then I will go for next. It is too hot today. But whatever is the condition, this is hot or cold, we have promised to our students to make them learn. So no worry about anything. Now question number 10. Now see once again same type of question beta. LCM of expression this and this is. Okay, LCM we have to find. See, question number 10. First expression is x, what is this, square minus 1 or Mr. Rahul Dinma, you should take perfect pictures. X square minus 1. P2, x square plus 2x plus 1. And don't mind anyone, okay? You have helped me, yaar, na? But every time you are making me confused. Your pictures qualities are every time making me confused. See, two polynomials you have. What we have to do? We have to find the LCM. Now see, student. What is LCM? LCM is something that is divisible by both these. Now see, if you see the last question, where we chose something base and its power. Something base, its power. Something base, its power. It was like this now. Once you try to break this also like that. If that is possible, very frankly, because if once the factors, these are in form of factors, very easily these can be sorted out. Now everyone see. P1, let me solve it first. P1, this is x square minus 1. What can I write? Can I write, students, x square minus 1 square? Yes or no? Sure? And you all know, you are principals and in 10th class. A plus B, A minus B. This is the identity we have learned lots of times. Okay? Here I am applying the same. X plus 1, x minus 1. This is P1. Now if you say this is A, this is B. A raised to power 1, B raised to power 1. We have just factorized the terms. Okay? Now, second case, P2. What is this, beta? X square plus 2x plus 1. How many of you are smart students? Just try to make yourself. Whatever I have told you in many of my last videos, I have told you, if you have an eagle's eye, your observation, your keen observation can make you a perfect mathematician. And my lovely students, the students who are smart have understood what I want to make them to see. This is A plus B whole square. Can I write this like yes or no? Yes or no, students? See, A plus B whole square is A square, B square, 2AB. Apply on this, you will find this. Yes or no? Still, some delay students are also there. So don't worry. See, you can factorize it by splitting the middle term. Now, you want to break 2, product should be 1. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Okay? X square plus x plus 1. 2 can be broken like this. X common, x plus 1. X plus 1 is needed here. Keep plus 1. X plus 1, x plus 1. Yes or no? Students, it can be written as x plus 1 whole square. Okay. And if I write here, am I right or wrong? Something raised to power 0 is 1. Sure, something raised to power 0 is 1, and that we are going to use here. Sure, see. Why I used x minus 1 raised to power 0 here? Because here x minus 1 was. Here x minus 1 was there. That's why. Okay, students? Done? Sure? Now see. What is the process to find LCM? LCM means find the larger powers, collect the larger powers. If you see, students, out of this, here is 1, here is 1, here is 2, here is 0. X plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. X plus 1, larger power is this one. Here is 1, here is 2. Out of this, for this, x minus 1, larger power is this. This is the LCM. This is the LCM. If we were to find the HCF, the HCF was, I am writing here, the ICF would have been, which is the smaller power x plus 1 and this x plus 1 raised to power 1. And which is the smaller out of 1 or 0? This one, and no need to write this. Okay? You got my point? What does it mean? Whenever you have to find the LCM of two polynomials, the power should be HCF, power should be smaller. And whenever you have to find the whenever you have to find the LCM, the power should be larger. Okay? Once you practice these, now everything will be cleared. And don't worry, now we have joined. Okay, question number 11. If we have joined, we are joined now. We are connected with each other now. Right now, from this video, you will feel that I am connected to you. In earlier videos, you have felt, I think you have felt that I am connected to CBSE students and you are not connected. That's why perhaps it was little bit communication gap between you and me. But now it's over. See, LCM of the expression is given. Find the HCF. Lovely students, this is the child's play and you are not children now. You have grown up. See, what is LCM? LCM is 30x square y raised to power 4. LCM is 30x square y raised to power 4. First polynomial, 6x square y raised to power 4. Polynomial 2, 10xy square. Okay, and we have to find HCF. Students, I had to solve this. What do you think? Should I solve this? I think 90% students will say, no sir, it's okay. But there's those 10% students who are my favorite. For them I am solving this. What is the formula? What we have just discussed, P1, P2, L1 HCF. Yes or no? We have learned this beta. Product of LCM and HCF is product of polynomials. Done. Now see what I am going to do. We have to find HCF. Keep this like P1, P2 by LCM. Sure. Done. What is P1? 6x square y raised to power 4. What is P2? 10x y raised to power 2. And what is LCM? 30x square y 4. Sure. Now lovely students, I think you all can solve this. Still 10 3s are 3 2s are x square, y 4. Very simple. Here 2 remaining into xy square. This is the HCF. This is the HCF, students. So I think you can understood what is the fundamental. Okay. Next question. Write Sridharacharya formula to find roots of equation. I will not write this. I will not write this, students. You have to do by yourself. Because even the Sridharacharya Sutras, history I have told you. Even the history I have told you in my earlier lectures, and derivation and many more things we have discussed. So it's your duty to do question number 12. Question number 13. Find the nature of roots by writing a general form of discrimination. I will not write. See, Mr. Dhinwa, again there is a mistake. In the picture you have to send me. Ax square plus by plus c is equal to 0. See, students, ax square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Someone is trying to play with your emotions. If a student try to solve it, definitely he will not be able to solve it. Because variable x is given here. Variable x is by mistake written as y here. Okay? To treat this as ax square bx plus c. Sure, then d will be b square minus 4ac, and then you can discuss the roots. One more thing. Some smart students, smart students like me, they will play another game. Let me tell you the truth. Ax square plus by plus c. What they will, what excuse they will give you? Sir, this is the variable here. Now see, ax square plus 0x plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form because coefficient of x is 0 here. And many students will appreciate them. Very good, nice thinking. But students, this is the concept. He thought in this way. That's why I'm saying they are smart like me. But this is the concept. If they use, definitely it will be wrong for up to 10th level. Up to plus 2 level, it will be wrong, beta. After that, such kind of questions you will be there to face in higher classes. Okay? But where in those cases, polynomial is will function with y, function with x, function with y variable will be mentioned. Here nothing is mentioned. It means here the statement is wrong. But the students who thought like this, I salute them and I appreciate them very very. The students who have thought that, sir, it can, if this is written, how we can say this is wrong, this is right? It can be written as like this. The students who have thought like this, very frankly, their thought process is appreciable and they should work hard on mathematics. Definitely they can be next Ramanujans. Next. Okay. Next question, 13, 14 we have done. Or 12, 13. Once again my phone is not. Okay. Question number 14. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and the. I will not find. I am not going to solve this question. You have to solve because all the questions of such type I have discussed in my earlier videos, beta. Ax square bx plus c. Sum of zeros minus b by a. Product of zeros c by a. You have to solve this. You have to establish the relation here. Once you put the polynomial equal to 0, find the alpha beta, then alpha beta can be found, and then compare with these coefficients. The relation will be established. Okay? Sure? Done? Now see next question. You have to do by yourself. Question number 14. Alpha beta are the zeros. My favorite concept. Very frankly, I love it. Very, very, very interesting questions. Because whenever algebra and algebraic identities are introduced, ना, वो कहते हैं ना, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी, सब अलग हो जाता है. रट्टा मार के आए हो पीछे क्लासेस में, आप अच्छे से पढ़ के आए हो. सी function in x, or you can say polynomial in x is x square minus px plus q. Alpha beta are its zeros. It is given that alpha beta are its zeros. Okay? Now see. Alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, that is p. Am I right? Okay? Now see. Alpha beta. C by a, q by 1. We should not write the formula minus b by a minus c by a standard. You have learnt, you have attained that expertise in these now. Now see students, first part, alpha square plus beta square, it is asked. One of my students last year, I gave them this question, this type of question, he just used, Sirji, this is alpha plus beta p, therefore alpha square. See students, what he did, alpha plus beta p, अल्फा स्केयर प्लस बीटा स्केयर पी स्केयर, ये लो जी, ये आ गया आंसर. एंड आई जस्ट कॉल्ड हिम दुष्ट. ये क्या किया? दिस इज रॉन्ग एंड यू शुड नॉट बी दुष्ट. सी स्टूडेंट्स, अल्फा स्केयर प्लस बीटा स्केयर, दिस इज आस्क्ड. इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट आइडेंटिटी, ए स्केयर प्लस बी स्क्वेयर प्लस 2ab, yes or no? All remember this identity, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you see, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square is there. If I shift this toward left, it will be minus 2ab. This can be done. Because you have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. You don't have the value of alpha square plus beta square. Okay, and it can't be get by squaring alpha plus beta, you can't get this. Okay, see, it can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay students, now see what is the value of alpha plus beta? P minus 2. What is the value of alpha beta? Q. This is the answer. Got my students? This will be the answer. Sure? Pakka? Done? Done, 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 done. Take the screenshot if you want to take. Next question, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. Same thing. 1 by alpha, 1 by beta is asked. Second part is 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. See beta, if I take the product, sorry, LCM, alpha into beta, beta into 1, alpha into 1, this will be the output. And what is the value of alpha plus beta? P. Alpha beta, Q. This is the output. This is the output. Yes or no, students? Sure? Confirm? Done. Take it screenshot. Now question number 19. Everyone, dear students, these 4 questions, part 3rd and part 4th, I have solved in my videos. If you have watched my videos, seriously, part 3rd and part 4th I have solved in my videos, because these are also the asked part of some question in exercise 4.3 of NCERT. So I think these 2 questions are not necessary. I am going to solve only one to make you understand the things, and then we will move on. Don't worry. Question number 19 part 2nd. Question number 19 part 2nd. I am going to solve this. 3rd and 4th I have already solved. Once you let me check, because this question is little bit lengthier, I want to check how many portion can be viewed in the video. Okay, is it viewable? Okay. Done. Okay students, now see everyone, the statement is given 19th question 2nd part. 19th question 2nd part. What is given here? 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 6 by 7. 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 6 by 7. Okay? We have to solve this for x. Once you take their LCM, x minus 1 into x plus 5 is equal to 6 by 7. Okay? When you take the LCM, if there is nothing to take common, you can take the product of the denominators. Okay? Here we took the product of the denominators as x minus 1 into x plus 5. Now see, by applying the simple calculations, what we get? X minus 1 will drop this one. This will be multiplied with this x plus 5 minus. Now see, x plus 5 will drop this one, this into this, x minus 1. Clear? Now see. X minus 1, x plus 5, 6 by 7. Open the brackets, x plus 5 minus x plus 1. This will be, sorry. This will be cancelled. Okay? 6 by, now multiply these, x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 is equal to 6 by 7. Sure? Now see. 6 by x square plus 4x minus 5, 6 by 7. And if you are expert student, you can see these can be cancelled. If you are not, then you cross multiply, then also 6 will be cancelled. Done? Now if we cross multiply, we will get this into 1. X square plus 4x minus 5 into 1. X square plus 4x minus 5. And 7 into 1. 7 into 1. 7. X square plus 4x. It can be taken this side. Yes or no? It can be taken this side. Sure? Minus 5 minus 7. X square plus 4x. This is minus 12 is equal to 0. Sure? Now students, I think my work is done. It's your time to make that, show that you are Principians very easily. It can be solved. Still I am solving for my favorite, those 10% students. 4 we have to break. Product is minus 12. Plus 4 we have to break and product should be minus 12. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is plus 4 and 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, okay? Done, see there. 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. Here x common, x plus 6. Minus 2 common, x plus 6. Okay. X plus 6 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Product of two quantities is 0. Product of two quantities is 0. What does it mean? From here x will be minus 6. From here x will be 2. And these are the answers. These are the answers. Okay students. This whole question is viewable in the screen. Let me check. Okay. This is viewable. Done. Take the screenshot. Till then I am have some sip of water. Okay students. Next question, question number 20. Question number 20. See students, I am going to solve all the exercise in this lecture. Now it's my mood now because this is not too much long lecture. It will easily we can be able to solve. Only 4-5 questions are remaining. Question number 20. Minus 5 is one of the quadratic equation. Okay, then the root of quadratic equation is equal to the find. Very, very interesting and very easy question. Once you see first equation is given 2x square minus px. Oh, sorry, it is plus px is equal to 0. Okay, and minus 5 is one root. Its root is minus 5. See students, if I put the value of minus 5 x as minus 5, we can solve for p here. And then for next equation we can solve for k by putting the value of p. Actually here two equations are given. Only make you sure that from one equation you will find p. Then use the p in second equation and then find k. Are you getting my point? From first equation from here you have to find p and then use the value of p in the second equation and then have to find the value of k. See students, p minus 5 for this one will be 0. Yes or no? This is the polynomial first. Minus 5 is 0 for this. X is equal to minus 5 will make sure that it will become 0. See. 2 into minus 5. P into minus 5 is equal to 0. 25 twos are 50. Minus 4 plus. If the power is even, output will be plus. 25 into 250. Minus 5p. Minus 15. From here if you see 50 minus 15, 35 minus 5p. From here 5p is equal to 35. P will be 7. Yes or no? Okay students. From the first equation what we got? We got p is 7. Sure? Now what is the time to solve? Using the value of p in the second equation. Then we will solve. Okay, what is the second equation? Once you take it screenshot now. Once you take the screenshot that how we have taken the value of p. Done? Now see. I am going to rough it now. P is 7 we have got. This was the first equation. equation first. Equation 2 is given, C, P into x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. Okay. What the value of P we found? Put P is equal to 7 here. What will you get? See, 7 into x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. 7x square plus 7x plus k is equal to 0. Okay, students. Yes or no? It is done now. Compare it with the standard equation. Ax square, bx, c. A, B, C you have. What is the value of d? B square minus 4ac. Yes or no? And what is given here? This equation has equal root. This equation has equal roots. Equal roots means d is 0. Are you getting my point, students? What is given here? This equation has equal roots. And equal root means the discriminant is 0. Done? Now see. The equation formed is 7x square plus 7x plus k. Now see, if we put d is equal to 0, what we will get? B square minus 4 a c is equal to 0. Done, students? Sure? Now see. 49 minus 28k is equal to 0. 49 minus 28k is equal to 0. Now see, I am writing this side. 49 is equal to 28k. Therefore, k will equal to 29 by 28. 7 7s are 7 4s are 7 by 4 answer. 7 by 4 answer. Done, students? Sure? No problem? Take it screenshot. You have taken the screenshot. Now I am going to solve next question. See, everyone, read the statement. Question number 21. Question number 21. 21. Solve the following quadratic equations by using Sridharacharya formula. Students, these two questions are solved in my previous videos. These two questions are solved in my previous videos. Okay? If you have not watched, then watch them. Okay? And 4.4. Sorry, students, previous year question video quadratic equation. Don't worry, I will send you the link and you can watch from there also. See, student, the title of the lecture is, once you see, title of the lecture is previous year questions, quadratic equation. This is the topic and this is subtopic. Okay, this is the topic, quadratic equation. Subtopic is previous year questions. All the questions discussed by, asked by RBSE and CBSE, both boards are questions are there, and these two questions are also mentioned there. Okay, so for this lecture we are going to save our time, and that lecture will also make you learn. Okay, and that lecture, if you take, I will give you on Sunday, because on Sunday it is holiday. I will give you the link on Saturday. Don't worry. Tomorrow you will get the link. This is Friday. I am shooting your video. Tomorrow you will get this video. Okay, get this video. And also I will provide you the video link of previous year questions by quadratic equation by RBSE, CBSE. On Sunday you are free. In that time you can also watch those videos, and all concept will be clear. Question number 22. Without what is given here, LCM and HCF of two quadratic expressions, two quadratic polynomials. Okay, LCM is x cube minus 7x plus 6. Okay, and HCF is x minus 1. वन मोर थिंग बेटा, एक बार मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं, सी सपोज मैं आपको नंबर दे रहा हूं एक 18 and 12. If we find their LCM, their HCF, sorry, first we find HCF. HCF will be 6. Yes or no? Okay. And if we find their LCM, what the LCM will be? LCM will be 36. Yes or no? Now if you can observe, you have a keen observation, HCF always divide HCM. HCF is always a factor for LCM of two numbers. 101% of group of numbers, HCF will always be a factor for LCM. Here is the same condition arised. HCF and LCM of two numbers are given. HCF is also a factor of this one. Now we will divide the LCM by HCF just to explore the LCM. We want to factorize LCM up to the maximum level. See, x minus 1, x cube minus 7x plus 6. You all can divide. In earlier lectures we have learned. Now see, x square will multiply with this, x cube. X square will multiply with this, but no x square term is, keep it side. Change the signs, cancel. This will be the largest power, minus 7x plus 6. Now x into x will make x square minus x. Change the sign, cancelled, minus 6x plus 6. I think all understood. Minus 6 will make it. Yes or no? Done. What did I tell to you? HCF is always a factor for the LCM. Once you take it, screenshot. Taken. Now see students, LCM can be written as this into this. Yes or no? Sure? Now see, x square plus x minus 6. LCM is this one, and I am writing this as x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 6. It can be written as like this, yes or no? Done. Now see students, x minus 1, and you can factorize this also. Plus 1 minus 6, 3 minus 2, plus 1, 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Do it. X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. X minus 1. Here x common, x plus 3, minus 2 common, x plus 3. Yes. X minus 1, x plus 3, x minus 2. This is the LCM we got, and HCF we have is x minus 1 already given. Now see what we have to find. We have to find the terms. Number one thing, polynomials are quadratic expressions. Product of these two should be there. If you observe two polynomials, you have to find. X minus 1 is common in both, and both should contain x minus 1. Give this one to this to one, this to another. You will get x minus 2, x plus 3. Now if you are a keen observer student, you can see common of these will be HCF, satisfied. And LCM of these, here is 1 power, here is a, these are also included. LCM includes all the 3. All the 3 are divisible by this and these also, and the remainder will be 0. That's why LCM is contained by these two and HCF is contained by these two. Now solve this. X square minus x minus 2 minus 3x plus 2. This will be the first expression, and multiply this. X square 3 minus 1, 2x minus 3. This will be the second expression. These are the answers. Okay students, what I used here, I just explored, factorized the LCM and then used mind. Use your mind. Okay, be a little bit smarter to understand this kind of concept, that this is common contained by both. Distribute these two to both the one, because at least 2 power should be there. Only 2 power should be there, because quadratic expression is mentioned. Okay, done. Now see. Question number next. Question number next, 23. Everyone see what is given here. Question number 23. This is given. LCM is given, HCF is given. Oh, okay. LCM is given. Again I choose the wrong marker. LCM is, okay, x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10. HCF is x plus 1. Okay. Polynomial 1 is x square minus 4x minus 5 or plus 5. I could not understand, Mr. Dinwa. Once again you are making me pareshan. Here something is fishy there. I don't know, plus or minus, whatever is, don't worry yaar. See, we have to find P2. We have to find P2 here. I think this plus is cut by the person who sent me, na? That's why I am taking minus here. Okay, now see, what we know, P1 into P2, LCM into HCF. P2 I want, LCM into HCF by P1. This will be the polynomial second. Polynomial second will be this, x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10 into x plus 1. Divide by this, minus 5. Once you factorize it, x plus 1 will be automatically cancelled. Then from the remaining you can divide it. Okay, and you can find the second polynomial. Okay, lovely students, this is all for this lecture. I would like to add 2-3 things. This is my first lecture I am preparing for you RBSE students. Once, please beta, it's my humble request to you all, because I have just shot for the videos, I have given you the videos of the CBSE, because this was not intentionally to make you little bit depressive. But some students were texting me, sir, we are getting confused, we are not. Many texts I was receiving continuously. That's why, please students, now it has been over. Whatever the topic was, whatever the condition was, now from today we have started. From Saturday we are going to, we have started to make your videos, and please everyone cooperate with us. From the Monday continuously we will start a new chapter by your book, and we will solve accordingly, and up to then you have to solve your polynomial chapter and try to submit your assignment. Okay, Pleta, please like my videos and stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day. Good luck.